A good jigsaw can make cutting curves, straight lines, and detailed shapes much easier. But with so many models available, choosing the right one can be challenging. In this video, we'll explore some of the best jigsaws for different projects and budgets, focusing on cutting performance, comfort, versatility, and useful features. Whether you're a DIYer or a woodworking enthusiast, this guide will help you choose with confidence. Find all product links and details in the description box below. Number 1 is the Festool Carvex PS420 EBQ Jigsaw. For woodworkers who won't settle for anything less than exact, this model sets the bar. A brushless motor pushes out up to 3,800 strokes per minute, translating to fluid, vibration-free cutting you can actually control. Its signature feature is the triple blade guidance system, combined with a splinter guard, which keeps the blade locked on line and prevents wandering even when you're pushing through thick, unforgiving stock. Swap-friendly base plates make it easy to reconfigure for various cutting scenarios, and the onboard dust extraction ensures your cutting path stays visible from start to finish. It carries the highest price tag on this list, but for cabinet makers, trim carpenters, and furniture craftsmen chasing flawless results, the investment pays for itself. Number 2 is the DEWALT DCS335B Cordless Jigsaw, built for anyone who wants to ditch the cord without giving up pro-level accuracy. Its XR brushless motor churns out up to 3,200 strokes per minute, running quietly with noticeably low vibration. The barrel grip handle offers a steady, natural hold that really pays off on curves and detailed scroll work. A variable speed trigger keeps blade speed within easy reach, while 4-position orbital action steps up for faster, more aggressive cutting when the job calls for it. It's a great match for trim carpenters, furniture makers, and anyone who values mobility on the job site. Proof that going cordless doesn't mean sacrificing power or precision. Number 3 is the Milwaukee 2737B 20-barrel grip jigsaw, made for anyone chasing extra power alongside a quicker stroke rate. Its brushless motor reaches up to 3,500 strokes per minute, powering through hardwood, MDF, and plywood without slowing down. A soft start function keeps accuracy consistent right from your first pass, while the variable speed dial and orbital settings let you fine-tune the cut to match the material. Thoughtful touches like an LED light, tool-free bevel adjustment, and a dust blower keep your cutting line easy to follow. Backed by the M18 battery platform, it offers dependable runtime and pairs seamlessly with other Milwaukee cordless gear. For job site grind or everyday heavy-duty tasks, this one holds its own.
Number 4 is the Bosch JS470E top-handle jigsaw, a corded workhorse that's long been a fixture in woodworking shops everywhere. A robust 7-amp motor delivers variable speeds up to 3,100 strokes per minute, handling everything from soft pine to hardwood and plywood with ease. Bosch's precision-machined plunge system cuts down on vibration and keeps blade movement steady, translating into straighter, cleaner cuts. The toolless blade change system is a real time saver, letting you swap blades mid-project without breaking your rhythm. Combine that with an ergonomic handle and a low-vibration build, and you've got a saw designed for long stretches of comfortable, controlled work. An easy choice for anyone who wants reliability alongside precision. Number 5 is the Makita XVJ03Z Cordless Jigsaw, a solid pick for anyone who wants compact size without sacrificing capability. Running on 18-volt LXT lithium-ion power, it delivers a 3,000 SPM cutting speed in a lightweight body that's easy to handle for extended periods. 3 orbital settings let you adjust cutting aggressiveness, while toolless blade changes and a built-in LED light keep your workflow smooth and your view clear. The barrel grip design sits comfortably in hand, and quiet operation makes it a strong fit for indoor work. It really shines on cabinetry and interior trim, where clean, controlled cuts matter more than raw power. Pros consistently praise its solid build and battery efficiency, making it a dependable go-to for everyday tasks. Number 6 is the BLACK+DECKER BDE JS600C corded jigsaw, a budget-friendly pick that still brings solid functionality to the table. Its 5-amp motor delivers variable speeds up to 3,000 strokes per minute, tackling wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Curve control technology offers 4 orbit settings, giving you flexibility whether you're making tight, detailed curves or straight, aggressive cuts. The adjustable shoe supports bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, while a wire guard keeps your cutting line visible throughout the job. Tool-free blade changes save time between cuts, and a built-in dust blower helps maintain a clear workspace. With its comfortable rubber grip handle, it's a practical, no-fuss option for DIYers and casual users tackling everyday cutting tasks. And that wraps up our look at the best jigsaws. We hope this guide helped you find a model that matches your project's cutting needs and budget. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. For product details and to check out the jigsaws featured in this video, you'll find all the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.